In a dense woodland, near a sparkling stream, lived a diligent beaver named Benny, hard at work, dream. With teeth sharp as steel and fur brown as earth, he toiled day and night, a life of labor birth. One day, while busy carving out his home, a wise old owl, perched on a nearby tree, said, "Benny, your life is filled with glee. But what is the purpose of your endless toil? Why carve and gnaw, and dig your hole?" Benny felt a tug on his heart, for he had never pondered this before. He answered the owl with a question of his own. "What purpose is there in a beaver's life, dear friend? I carve and gnaw, and dig my home, to create a shelter, safe and warm, protecting my family from the winter storm." The owl smiled, and with a gentle sigh, said, "Your purpose, Benny, is not only your eye. To build a safe haven, yes, that's true, but also to help others, and make this world anew. Life is not just about surviving, my friend, but about making a difference, from which others may mend. Your work is valuable, not only for yourself, but for the community, which is part of the self." Benny pondered the wise owl's words, and saw the truth in their resounding chords. He realized then, his life had a broader scope, a purpose that transcended his little home. From that day forth, Benny's industry grew. He carved and gnawed, and dug anew, but with a purpose beyond himself, to help others, and himself relieve. The beaver's life became a testament of perseverance, and a purpose that's vast. Benny's tale serves as a gentle reminder of the purpose in hard work, and the power of a whisper. Moral asterisk: hard work is not just for self-benefit, but for the betterment of others and the world.